Hello, YouTubers. This is Xenon the Fixer. There's another problem with McDonald's app. Last time I showed you guys how to fix the app uninstalling it and install it back again. But there's another problem is going on if you go to deals on your McDonald's app. So you gotta have this app right here. It's called McDonald's. Just log in. Let's say this. If you go to deals, what's going on? Look at that. It only shows the McCafe. Buy 5, any size to get 1 free. But where's the under ones? There's nothing. Let me move my camera. There's nothing down there. Look at my finger. Nothing. No deals. What's going on? Don't worry, guys. I will show you how to fix that. But I will show you how to fix that. If you can't see no deals down there, it's very easy to fix this. And I will show you how to fix that right now. Okay. Just go back with your finger. On these little, let me move my camera. These little 3 lines, yellow lines, just press it. Let's try go deals again. Let me see if it works. See? You won't see nothing. So what you gotta do is you gotta sign out. But I forgot how to sign out. Let me see if I can find it, guys. Okay, you press your name. So like my name is Xenon the Fixer. Now, let me put my camera down. Press log out. You wait to load. Another thing, if you have Wi-Fi, take it off and use your 4G network on your phone. So take out your Wi-Fi. Now you log back in. Use your Google account. It's a lot easier if you log in. Now let's try again. So all you gotta do is very easy. So view all deals. Now look at that. It's fixed. Now you can see all the deals. So that's how you fix it. Thanks for watching. This is Xenon the Fixer. I'll see you later again. Bye-bye.